I can still drive without wheels.
Yeah, I mean, I'm driving. I'm not on well though. I should bloody expect with no wheels. Okay, we don't want to get on there. This is
Oh, I
like,
got 85%.
oh, this is
Oh
too.
Bruh.
my god.
Enter the 85% zone. It's probably inevitable.
That sucks. Booty.
Oh yeah, I can enter it.
I was really trying to like enter. I was spamming F and it just wasn't allowing me to. I'm not sure. Are you dead, Paco?
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, Paco did reviving.
Yo. I played Apex and it was pretty good because I got some kills.
Bad.
Paco, where you at?
I'm not spawning yet. Oh, I'm spawned in.
You alright? Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what's the plan?
I'm not.
Hands up.
Wait, we're gonna both get the sword off.
Oh wait, what? Look, we got the same.
Same sword off. Same gun. Same gun.
What? Yes, same,
Same gun. Yeah.
But damn, look at that ass though.
Present the butt.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you crouch in the game? Wait,
I think you can crouch.
that's the closest I've got. The closest I've got is pressing control. Hang on.
I like how all the planes are just.
Look.
Oh baby.
Wait. Stand behind me. Stand behind me. No, like, completely down.
Oh yeah. And then after I've completed my use with you, I do this.
Why did you shoot me?
I kill my prostitutes after I use them.
Bruh, I don't think that was very cash money of
It's
you.
not very cash money of
Bruh, I think that's I think that's why they were doing this to make a living, because they couldn't make it else. Oh, I got hit by a truck.
You good?
you.
Does that
Don't
help
want to
you?
get hit by a truck.
I like how you just automatically trying to shoot me. Oh my god, you hit me as I hit you with your atomizer.
I survived. I survived. I killed myself. Suicide makes me respawn with full health.
Oh yeah, of course you're gonna respawn. Oh no, that's regardless of how you killed.
Yeah. No, at least it doesn't add to your kill counter.
I'm gonna stand on the road and hope your car doesn't hit me. Thank you, car.
Not necessarily close. Let's go. Level.
Oh, this is such a powerful weapon. Man.
Day.
What is?
The